All right, in class exercise 2, use the map function to double each number and minus it by 1, subtract by 1, subtract 1 from it in the list by using a lambda function. So we're going to use the long name double num minus 1, and we're going to do list map 2 parentheses. We're going to have lambda x, okay, and then what are we going to do to it? We're going to have x times 2 and then minus 1, and the other thing we're going to pass in here will be numbers, right? Now if we print double num minus 1, okay, we get each of these numbers multiplied by 2. Okay, so if we go back up here, we got 4 times 2 is 8, minus 1 is 7, 11 times 2 is 22, minus 1, so on and so forth. That takes care of that for us. Okay. Another way we could do it, if we were to pass both of these in, numbers and more nums, would be we're just going to have double num double list equals list map lambda x and y. We'll have 3 of these, x times 2 and then minus 1, comma, and then we'll start another one, y times 2 minus 1 if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, else, obviously the if-else thing is not required, but this is how you would do 2 things in here. Let's get some extra practice. We're going to put in numbers and more nums, right? And that should take care of all of that. Yeah, I think that should be happy. The right number of parentheses. I can get a little bit bogged down. Double num double list. Print it out, and it's furious. So I'm actually going to put this in here, and I don't think that'll break anything. Maybe I need another one. Map must have at least 2 arguments. Give me 1 second. Okay, actually, I think it just goes right here. Map must have at least 2 arguments. Nope, never mind, I lied. Okay, move the parentheses over to here. So more nums should only have 2 there, and then we're going to have 3 right after that. I don't think all of them are necessarily, and you can probably get rid of 1. It should still run just fine. Yeah, there you go. Actually, we can probably get rid of another one even. No, that one goes with the lambda. Okay, so there you go. 1 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. I'm going to close them out. 1, 2. Then that opens, and then we've got 2 at the very end there. 2 there and 2 there. And now I'll run. Right, and now it sets back these tuples, and life's groovy. So that's a little bit about how we would do that. I'll click outside the box. Maybe we'll be able to. Nope, it needs to have its. It's a little annoying. But anyways, that's how we would do that. So in class exercise 2. This would be sufficient for having a right answer though, if you wanted to do it with just one thing passed in.